Ready, start. A sitting judge of the Supreme Court facing complaints before the Supreme Judicial Council (SJC) has expressed the apprehension that he might not get justice or may face discrimination contrary to what the law requires. Full stop. In a letter to Chief Justice of Pakistan (CJP), who heads the SJC, a constitutional body which probes allegations of misconduct of a superior court judge, Justice Syed Mazhar Ali Akbar Naqvi expressed the fear that delay in formulating the opinion on the fact of a number of complaints by a member of the SJC was allegedly deliberate and by design. Full stop. An informed source told Dawn that the letter was written by Justice Naqvi almost a month ago, in which apprehension were expressed that delay in deciding the fate of the complaints, was creating doubts that the judge may not get justice. Full stop. The source said financial transactions, including the purchase of properties being alleged against the judge, were all in order and could be accounted for any time. Full stop. It is the responsibility of the judge to whom the matter has been referred to form the opinion about the fate of the complaints as early as possible, preferably within a period of 14 days. Full stop. Moreover, in case of an adverse opinion, the respondent judge is also given an opportunity to defend himself when within a fortnight. Full stop. But despite a period of several months, the judge concerned has not formed his opinion on the complaints, the letter said, adding that the secretary of the SJC was seized with a number of complaints, but only Justice Naqvi was being discriminated and targeted. Full stop. The complaints accused Justice Naqvi of managing and legislating his income through the sale of properties or allegedly maneuvering by revising his 2021 tax returns multiple times in an attempt to justify his income. Full stop.